In this video, I will be demonstrating how you can easily set a spring snap using the spring snap die and the hand press machine. Now, the spring snap consists of 4 different components, which I have here before me. The cap, the socket, the stud, and the post. The cap and socket are the female components. The stud and the post are the male components. Now, just as you have the 4 components to the snap, you are going to have the 4 corresponding dies that go with each component. So I have right here before me each part with its corresponding die. This spring snap is an ideal snap for lighter to medium weight leather, for fabric. You can really use your imagination. Jewelry design, cardstock, those who scrapbookers can use them. You can really do a lot with this snap. I have an example right here. This is a faux leather cuff, lighter to medium weight, and it has the spring snap closure here. As you can see, it has 2 of the male component parts, which makes the cuff adjustable. You can either make it smaller or larger. So it's really, you can do a lot with this snap. Now I'm going to demonstrate how you would set it. Very, very easy to set. I have my faux leather belting here, and what you would need to do is, if I'm say making a cuff, I would make 2 different holes, so you have to punch your hole prior. I have in my machine down here the 2.5 millimeter hole punch die, which really 2 millimeter to 2.5 millimeter is an ideal size hole punch for the spring snap. So I'm just going to make 2 holes in opposite ends. And as you can see, they're really nice holes and an ideal size for the spring snap. So right here, I'm going to first set my male components. I have my stud and my post right here. Now, what I would be doing is the post goes into the bottom die. So I'm going to just slide my post through my hole, and then taking my stud, it will fit into the top part of the die. There you go. And then my post goes into the bottom part, and I would just press down. There you have it. You're halfway through with setting your snap. That was very easy. Now I have over here the female parts to my spring snap. So what I would do is the cap goes into the bottom part of the die, as the socket will go into the top. So I'm going to take my cap, and my cap has a little post going through, so I can put that through the hole that I just made, and then my socket will go into the top of the die, placing your cap in the bottom part of the die, post up, press down on my handle. There you have it. Very easy to set that snap. You have a great closure right there. Very easy to do. This machine really takes the work out of setting snaps. It does not have to be that hard, and there is a lot that you can do with this. Now this machine here is an all-in-one tool, so you can get the most out of using just one tool. There are interchangeable dies that will set studs, eyelets, rivets, grommets. We have different snap dies available and also different sizes, so you can find the perfect size for you. The machine, all the corresponding dies are available at minkasmargo.com. Thank you for watching.